What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nate Triple OG, often imitated and never duplicated, breaking you the best on beats in the game. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring the hell out of that notification bell so that you can stay in tune with all the fire that I got coming for you. Now, yo, today's video is not going to be about gym shoes. It's more so going to be about artwork. So if you're not familiar with the artist that we're talking about, as you can see down in the title, it's going to be Hebru Brantley. So now he's a Chicago-based artist, and he has some dope artwork, some pieces that I wanted to buy, and man, it's just inspiring. Anyway, he had this pop-up shop, this pop-up in Chicago called Nevermore Park. Now, yo, I've never experienced anything like this in my life, as far as like going to like art exhibit or anything. Now, this was an interactive art exhibit, so you can touch everything and you can like find some secrets that's going on in the place. I'm not gonna say what those secrets are. I'm gonna leave that to you. Hopefully you can make it there. This pop-up, it is in Chicago, and it does end, I believe, in December 29th or something like that. I'm not sure the exact date, but it does end in the month of December. They extended it, so if you have the opportunity, please go down and go check it out. I'm gonna give you a little bit of B-roll, and then we're gonna talk about some of the things that I picked up, and we're gonna talk about like my experience, like my true experience. So let's go ahead and get into that B-roll like right about now. So I hope you enjoyed that B-roll that you just saw. Like, man. Now, I didn't bring my camera in there. I actually did all that shooting on my phone, and I didn't want to really like spoil anything, and I really didn't edit the video up. So some things, well, not some things, there are a lot of things that's not inside that video, and I know some of my viewers are not in Chicago, so they're probably not going to be able to get to it. But what I will say is I'm going to put the link to their Instagram down below. Click that link, go to their Instagram, check out all the pictures. Like, man, it's just so much. Now, let's talk about my experience, man. Like, yo, I thought this was like so dope. The music that was playing. So anybody who knows me knows that I'm like really into music and art. So music, art, and sneakers, like, and that's what this channel is supposed to be based off of: music, art, sneakers. And that's pretty much what I believe the culture is. Well, it's my culture. So the music that was playing, it was so fitting, like for every section of the pop-up. It's just so dope. It was dope. Dope. Obviously you can just tell that I'm like really excited about that pop-up, man. It was like, I just don't know how to explain. Like I said, I've never experienced anything like that before. So that was just fire. They did have a gift shop, and I was able to pick up a few things. The only thing that let me go ahead and show you some of the things that I picked up. I picked up this Nevermore book bag. It's pretty dope. It has a whole bunch of like pictures of Flyboy. So if you were really creative, you can color on this. I'll probably give it to my son and let him do it. Also bought him a t-shirt and him a hoodie. This is the t-shirt that I bought him. It has the Flyboy on there, and it says Nevermore. You know, pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? That's for him. And I got a hoodie for me with that same Flyboy on there. So this is a pretty good hoodie, good quality hoodie, but it definitely is just a screen print. I was kind of upset about that because it was really expensive, and it seemed like it was just like poorly made, but you know. Anyway, I don't believe that I will ever have the opportunity to buy an actual print from Hebru Brantley. I don't even know like the first steps to take to doing that. So one thing that I'm upset about is that they didn't have any prints there, so that you can just buy a print and you can hang one of those things up. Had some really cool stuff. Some of the prints remind me of the pictures of that Andy Warhol would do, like the Campbell soup and everything. So those are different. A lot of things. I was talking to one of my buddies. I was talking to Q about it, and he was saying that Hebru Brantley is the next Basquiat. I kind of disagree with that. That's not something I would say. And I guess I'm only saying that because I'm not so familiar with Basquiat's artwork or anything like that. And if I did say I would just be talking out of my ass. So I can't say that. But I do love his artwork. Oh, more things. I forgot I got all this other stuff that I bought. I also bought another t-shirt. This one here. Like, it's just a regular t-shirt, but it's definitely screen printed. So, you know, and that was pretty expensive also. And I bought another shirt. Like I said, I'm really a big fan of Hebru, man. I'm really a big fan, and I've never met him. I just wish that I could meet him. I wish that I could buy some artwork. And it just has some dope stuff, man. So I bought all these things. And wait, there's more. I am an avid coffee drinker, so I did buy me a Hebru Brantley as a coffee mug. I think it's dope. I don't know, I went crazy in here. It's just a black coffee mug, like, so I'll put that close so you guys can see it. It's not really focusing. Anyway, just like you saw like the picture here, that's pretty much what's on the mug. You know, and it's all black. So I wanted to have it, man. I had to have these things, and wait, there's more. I bought a pack of Nevermore stickers. You know, I bought like a whole bunch of stickers. So I'm trying to work on a sticky board. Trying to find out how to do that, you know what I mean? Got the little glasses in there. Whole bunch of stuff, man. Really dope stuff. Dope stuff. And wait, there's more. I also bought patches. Now, it's this one here. Kind of looks like a Looney Tune patch. There's another patch right here. It's just a Flyboy on a rocket ship. You know, it looks pretty fly. I like that one a lot. Also, I got this one right here with the Flyboy sitting on a rocket right here. I don't know if you can really see that. It's not focusing. I guess it's that glare. And I bought a pen. You know how I love pens, and I saw this one. Somebody showed me that they had more pens, but I got a Nevermore pen. I thought this stuff was like really cool. If you're interested and you think some of this stuff is dope and you weren't able to get to Nevermore or whatever, you know something, it's gonna be here until December. I don't have a problem with I guess giving you guys some of this stuff. If you really want it, you know, just be PayPal ready. and I'll send it to you. It doesn't matter. I can go down there before December 29th and go get some more things. They also had like coffee, not coffee mugs, but like those thermos cups that you can put soup in and all those things. Like I said, the only thing that they did not have that I'm really upset, I can't even say that I'm upset, I can just say that I'm really, really disappointed, is that they didn't have any screen prints, man. And I know like the whole resale game is like ridiculous and probably had some and maybe they sold out immediately. But I really, really, really wanted a screen print, and if they did have them, they should have made them. They should have had so many that it was just like that. The value, I guess, as far as like the value of it, it would have been pointless to resell. I know what you're thinking. How could anything be pointless to resell? But I don't know. Anyway, I really wanted one of those. So some of the history into like Flyboy. They give you this newspaper. Who is the new Flyboy, right? It's a picture of him there, and it has like this whole article, man. It's a lot of stuff. So I'll take pictures of this and actually put it on my Instagram, and you can I guess like, I don't know, learn more about him. But he's supposed to be, it's like, is he a hero or is he a vigilante? You know what I mean? That whole thing. His grandfather was one of the Tuskegee Airmen, so I don't know if you saw that inside the B-roll. I had that on there, man. The exhibit was dope. I was excited, and I just really wanted you guys to see it. So, I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna try to get better. This is my first time doing this type of review. I know it's not sneakers, it's not the kicks, so I'm a little all over the place, but yeah, that's it. Till next time, hope you guys loved it. I'm getting better at that. Got some sneakers videos that's about to come out. I'm probably gonna put one out tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna put one out today, but I'm gonna shoot them all right now. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for loving these videos. Thanks for all that feedback. I'll holler at you guys next time. Don't have any great words of encouragement today, but I will tell you, yo, don't sweat the technique. Read this book, check it out, bro. This stuff is fire. Like, I'm enjoying the book already, and none of this stuff is sponsored. It's just me. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I can't see myself getting out the game. No time.